Hello mga ka-Starbiz! Get ready because we've got some hot chika straight from Coachella 2026. Our very own P-pop pride, Beanie, just turned the Mojave stage into a fiesta of Filipino culture, music, and language. And yes, they made history once again. Beanie opened their set with the crowd favorite Strings, dazzling in sparkly blue costumes before switching to glitzy purple outfits for Zero Pressure and Out of My Head. Pero ang pinaka-wow moment, each member introduced themselves in their native dialects. Maloy proudly spoke in Batanggenyo, Gwen in Bicolano, Aya in Cebuano, Stacy in Ilocano, Colette in Bisaya, while Sheena and Joanna used Tagalog, and Mika greeted in English. Nakaka-proud talaga! Fans online were emotional, saying they never thought they'd hear their own dialects at Coachella. And of course, the setlist was packed with hits: Carrera, Salamin Salamin, Blink Twice, Cherry on Top, Blush, Bikini, and finally their anthem, Pantropico, which had the audience dancing, shouting, and jumping with joy. To top it off, the Philippine flag lit up the LED screen, sealing the moment as a true Pinoy triumph. Beanie also dedicated their performance not just to their fandom, the Blooms, but also to ABS-CBN, the company that believed in their dreams. Colette summed it up perfectly. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino! Now, mga ka-Starbiz, we want to hear from you. How do you feel seeing Beanie represent Filipino culture on one of the world's biggest stages? Nakakaiyak ba? Nakaka-proud ba? Drop your thoughts, your dialect shoutouts, and your love for OPM in the comments below. That's it for today's Showbiz Buzz, Starbizers. Truly, Beanie is proving that P-pop is world-class. Until next time, keep shining, keep supporting OPM, and always stay tuned for more chika. This is Sean, your friendly neighborhood chismoso, signing off. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino!